Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to transfer USDT from Binance to Bybit. In order to do this, you first have to launch your Binance mobile application and then you just have to tap on the Wallets tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. After that, you need to tap on Spot in the top and here you are going to see all of the cryptos that you have in your Binance account. Now among the cryptos that you have, you simply need to tap on USDT and then you are going to see a withdrawal button in the bottom. So you need to tap on that. And after that, you need to select send via crypto network option. Once done, you will be redirect on this page where you will be asked to provide the address. And select the network, so you just have to launch your Bybit mobile app and then you need to tap on the assets tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Then you need to tap on deposit and after that you need to tap on deposit crypto option in the bottom. Then you need to select USDT and then you just have to select the chain. For this video, I am going to select it as TRC20. So after selecting it, you are going to see the QR code as well as the deposit address. So you just have to copy the deposit address from here. And then you just have to come back to this page again where you just have to paste the address that we have just copied from Bybit. After that, in the network, you will have to select it as TRC20 because in Bybit, we had selected TRC20 network. Then you will have to enter the amount that you want to withdraw from here and after that, you just have to tap on withdraw button in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. And this way, you will be able to easily transfer your USDT from Binance to Bybit. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.